What if I told you there's a simple at-home device that can skyrocket your collagen production by 400% without expensive treatments, painful procedures, or breaking the bank? And the best part, it takes just 5 minutes once a week. Intrigued? Keep watching, because I'm about to reveal something that most beauty clinics don't want you to know. Let's get real about what's happening to our skin as we age. Every year after 25, our body's natural collagen production drops by about 1%. By the time we hit 40, that decline becomes dramatically noticeable. It's not just a matter of vanity, it's biology. Collagen is the scaffolding of your skin. It provides structure, elasticity, and that youthful bounce we all crave. But as collagen levels dip, skin begins to sag, wrinkles deepen, and that glowing texture becomes a distant memory. The harsh reality, most conventional skincare products are band-aids. Sure, they might temporarily plump your skin or hydrate the surface, but they don't solve the root problem of collagen depletion. And that's where the beauty industry hooks you. Thousands of dollars on clinic treatments, painful injections, and never-ending multi-step routines. They want you to believe these are your only options. But what if I told you there's a way to hack your skin's natural regeneration process right from the comfort of your home? So how do we outsmart collagen decline? Here's the answer: microneedling. But not the intimidating clinical version you might have seen. We're talking about a simple, at-home technique that leverages your body's most powerful healing mechanism. Let me explain. Microneedling involves the use of a derma roller, a handheld tool covered in tiny, safe needles. When rolled gently across your skin, it creates microscopic channels that stimulate your body's wound healing response. Think of it as sounding the alarm for your skin cells. When your body senses these micro injuries, it rushes to repair them by producing collagen and elastin, the key ingredients for firm, youthful skin. And the results? Studies have shown that using this technique can increase collagen production by 400%. How does it work? Let's break down the steps. Number 1, choose the right tool. Not all derma rollers are created equal. For home use, stick to a needle depth of 0.2 to 0.3 millimeters. Deeper needles aren't better. They can actually be dangerous without professional supervision. Number 2, master the technique. Gentle, consistent rolling is the secret to success. Roll in multiple directions, horizontal, vertical, and diagonal to ensure even coverage. Number 3, frequency matters. Once a week is your sweet spot. Overdoing it won't give you faster results. It could actually harm your skin. Think of it like a workout for your skin. You wouldn't lift the heaviest weights on your first day at the gym. Start slow. Listen to your skin and let the transformation unfold gradually. Why this works? The magic of microneedling lies in its ability to remodel your skin from the inside out. Clinical studies have shown improved skin texture, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and more even skin tone. Most people start noticing significant improvements between 6 to 12 weeks. And here's the best part: these aren't temporary fixes. You're literally rebuilding your skin's foundation. But wait, there's more. If you want to amplify your results, pair microneedling with red light therapy. The power of red light therapy. Red light therapy is a game changer. It penetrates deep into your skin, energizing your cells and supercharging collagen production. Think of it as a nutrient boost for your skin cells, perfectly complementing the effects of microneedling. Together, these two techniques create a dynamic duo for skin regeneration. A few critical tips. Before you start your microneedling journey, keep these tips in mind. 1, always begin with clean, dry skin. 2, use light, consistent pressure. Don't force it. 3, roll in multiple directions for full coverage. Number 4, clean your derma roller after every use with 70% isopropyl alcohol. Number 5, avoid rolling over active acne, open wounds, or irritated areas. And here's a golden rule: never share your derma roller. It's a personal tool, like a toothbrush, and sharing it can lead to infections. The bigger picture: microneedling isn't just about reducing wrinkles or improving texture. It's about empowerment. It's about taking control of your skin's health without relying on overpriced treatments or harsh procedures. Imagine this: in just 5 minutes a week, you're giving your skin the tools it needs to heal and rejuvenate itself. No gimmicks, no false promises, just science-backed results. What's next? Now, if you're ready to dive even deeper into advanced anti-aging techniques, you won't want to miss our next video: microneedling or Botox, which is better for over 50 skin. In that video, we'll break down the pros and cons of both approaches, explore the science behind them, and help you decide which one aligns best with your skin's goals. Because here's the thing: knowledge is power. And when you understand your options, you can make the best decisions for your unique skin. Click over to the next video now and discover how microneedling compares to Botox. The transformation you'll experience could completely change how you see your skin and yourself. The journey to radiant, youthful skin starts here. See you in the next video.